Hello and welcome to the new video in the ServiceNow item series. In our last video, we explored orchestration, how to automate IT and business processes by building workflows and integrating with external systems. In this session, we will focus on how Atom integrates with other key ServiceNow modules, forming a seamless ecosystem for IT operations and service management. We will cover four key integration areas: ITOM and incident management, ITOM and change management, ITOM and request management, and service catalog integration. Let's dive in. One of the most powerful integration is between ITOM and incident management. Proactive detection. Event management in ITOM detects issues like system outage or performance drops and automatically create incident in real time. Enrich incident records. These incidents include data from alerts, CI relationships from CMDB, and impact analysis, helping team quickly understand and respond. Reduce MTTR. With correlation rules and remediation workflows, ITOM help reduce mean time to resolve significantly. Example: a failed server alert generates an incident, includes CI details, assign the ticket to the correct team, and triggers a remediation script. This proactive approach keeps operations ahead of user complaints. ITOM integrates closely with change management to control the risk and impact of changes across the infrastructure. Automated change request. When certain events or patterns are detected, ITOM can initiate a change request automatically. Approval and scheduling. These changes can follow standard workflows including approval, conflict detection, and blackout period checks. CI impact analysis. Integration with the CMDB helps analyze which service or use could be affected by change. Example: a memory upgrade on the production server is detected via discovery. A change request is auto-created with the supporting CI data. This level of integration ensures better governance and fewer unplanned outages. Then request management. ServiceNow request management handles users' requests for services or items, and ITOM enhances its process with automation and visibility. Automated fulfillment. Behind the scenes, ITOM uh, orchestrates fulfillment, whether it's provisioning a VM or deploying a software package. Track and manage. Each request ties back to a service, a CI, and a fulfillment process, giving better tracking and reporting. Workflow integration. Request item can trigger flows designed using Flow Designer or Workflow Editor. Example: a user request for dev environment setup launch orchestration flows that spin up VMs, apply configurations, and send status updates. This reduces manual workloads and increase operational efficiency. Service catalog integration. The service catalog is the user-facing interface where ITOM automation becomes accessible for everyone. Front-end access: user requests services like server provisioning, AD group access, or monitoring setup for a simple catalog form. Back-end automation: ITOM powers what happens after submission, or curated tasks, discovery updates, and CMDB population. Reusable templates. Service catalog items can reuse flows and orchestration activities for consistency and speed. For example, a Provision Cloud Server catalog item includes dropdowns for AWS or Azure, VM size, and auto launch provisioning using cloud management. This makes complex operation easy to use and self-service for non-technical users. To wrap up, this session showed how ITOM modules are not isolated but deeply connected with the core ServiceNow processes. ITOM detects and remediate incidents before they impact user, support change planning and risk assessment, fulfills service requests efficiently, enables self-service through the service catalog. These integrations are what turn ServiceNow from a ticketing tool into a fully automated IT operations platform. In the next video, we will explore how performance analytics and KPIs gives visibility into your ITOM effectiveness and drive continuous improvement. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.